As a parent, your world might feel a little different at the moment. One day, you're minding your own business, then bam, everything changes. Now you're home. Or working from home. Or maybe you're still going to work. But one thing is for sure, your kids are not physically going to school. While this might feel like the start of summer vacation, that's not quite what's happening. Even though they're at home, kids are still in school. There are still education requirements that need to be met, and teachers are still required to teach, even from a distance. To do this, schools have put together a variety of programs for your kids. Zoom calls, Google Classroom and Hangouts, online videos, resource links, learning packets, and more. Every school is different. And to find out what's required for your children, simply contact their school by phone or email. Let's be honest, this is a weird time for everybody. But when it comes to your kids' schooling, you don't have to do it alone. Your child's school is here to help. Not to mention, they miss your kids. If you haven't contacted your school since the world turned upside down, please do it now. We are all in this together, and together we can make sure that your child's educational world stays on track. This message brought to you by the Shasta County Office of Education. For more up-to-date educational information, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe.